If you want to be a broke coach, let me give you my guaranteed 4-step formula. Because after working with over 1,800 coaches in the last 15 years, I've seen the 4 common mistakes coaches make. And if you just cut out these 4 behaviors, you'll have more freedom in your business, fulfillment, and financial abundance. Number 1, chase bright, shiny objects. Too often I see coaches trying to do literally 17 different things at once. They're copying what everyone else is doing on Instagram, doing TikTok videos, designing a flyer, building a fancy website, writing blogs, making a logo, making a business card. But what they're really making is themselves go crazy. Absolutely bonkers. A lot of action, but no traction in their business. Do not confuse busyness with having a business. Do not confuse activity with productivity and actually going somewhere. Because all of this that you're doing typically is while trying to coach people and attract new clients. The sad truth is, all of this is really unnecessary. There's only 3 skills you need to succeed as a coach. I'm going to explain them shortly. Number 2 thing that you need to do if you want to become a broke coach, try and help everyone with a heartbeat. When someone asks you what your niche is, just say everyone. Here's the thing. If everyone is your client, you should just be able to walk down the street and then you just help the first stranger that comes along. But obviously that's a losing strategy. Why? Because if you appeal to everyone, you appeal to no one. Just think about this for a second. If you had a problem with your eyes, would you rather go to a local doctor or to an eye specialist? A specialist, of course, because they're specialized in helping you with your problem. It works the exact same way in your coaching business. If you do not get clear on who you help, what you help them with, and how you help them, you're going to get lost in the noise, the sea of coaches out there. If you want clients to notice you, you must be specific about who you help, and that's where picking the right niche comes into play. The third way to guarantee that you stay broke as a coach is let this thing called impostor syndrome get in the way. Every day I hear coaches say things like, I don't think I'm ready to coach people yet. I don't have enough experience. Why would anyone take me seriously? Maybe I need to get 1, 2, 3, 5 more certifications before I put myself out there. But if you think like this, you'll never be successful. You'll always be striving, never arriving. Because you can always have more. You can always have more experience, more confidence, more clients, more testimonials, more techniques, more certificates, and all those things. A long time ago, a mentor once said something to me and asked me a powerful question, which I'll ask you right now. When are you ready to help people? And I remember I was like, I don't know. Good question. You got me. You got me a good one. Over the years, I've come up with the best answer for that. You are ready to help people in your business when you can help people. That's it. If you're able to help people, because every day there's thousands of people right now that are suffering from a myriad of problems that you could help them with. You are ready to help those people when you can help them. Take the focus off of you and how much confidence you have or don't have, how many certificates you have or don't have, and put the focus where it needs to be. The only thing that your potential client cares about is, can you help me? If you can help me, then help me. I need your help right now. Don't let your potential insecurity or imposter syndrome, I put it in double air quotes because it's a fake thing, imposter syndrome, hurt the people that you're trying to help. The important work of moving the world forward cannot wait for perfect people. So even if you're currently feeling you're lacking confidence to put yourself out there, don't do it for yourself. Put the focus on other people and do it for your potential clients you're looking to help. By the way, the only way you get the experience you want, the confidence you crave, is to actually put yourself out there and do the work and help people. We get better at helping people by helping people. Do the thing and you'll have the power. The number 4 way to permanently stay broke as a coach is have a lone wolf mentality. Just try and do everything yourself. Let me ask you a question. If you're driving to a new area, would you rather just wander around hoping to just find your destination? That's what a lot of guys do. I've done that in the past. Or would you use a GPS? Most sane people would probably use a GPS. Yet, still, I see so many people out there trying to start or grow a coaching business. They don't have proper direction. They don't have proper guidance. And if you don't have guidance, you don't have clients. You waste years of trial and error trying to figure it out yourself, maybe because of your ego, maybe because you think you'll save a couple of dollars. But what you really do is you have a business that has no clients, is more of a hobby than a proper business, and wasting years of your life. Sure, in the end, you might be able to get to your destination, just like the typical guy who's driving around trying to get there himself without getting any guidance. But is it worth it? Not really. Don't do all the guesswork yourself. It doesn't have to be that hard. You can get results literally at 10 times the speed of a lot of other people with the correct guidance. Once again, if you don't have guidance, you don't have clients. So, after all those 4 ways to stay broke, what should you be doing instead to build a highly successful coaching business? There's actually only 3 important skills that you need. Number 1, you need coaching skills. I know that's obvious, but a lot of people, especially on Instagram and TikTok and social media, they forget to become a successful coach, you need coaching skills that work. There are 2 types of coaching skills. Number 1, there are types of coaching skills that are what we call the guru model. The guru model is where you feel you have to be better than your potential client at everything. So if you're teaching a client about relationships, your relationship has to be perfect. If you're teaching a client about health, your health has to be perfect. If you're teaching a client about business and they've got a hospitality business, then you have to have all this experience and be a guru in the hospitality business. That is not the model that really works. You will definitely feel you're on a hamster wheel, always trying to catch up, never feeling good enough. That's the guru model. Instead, there are another whole bunch of coaching skills called the empowerment model. That's when we remove our ego and we realize that the person who knows their relationship the best is the client. The person who knows their business the best is the client. It is not our job to be the best in every niche imaginable. It is our job to empower them with the mindset skills they need. It is our job to get the most out of that individual who knows their business the best, who knows their relationship the best. So think of yourself less as a niched coach and more as a mindset coach that happens to be working with people in that niche of parenting or health or business. It's a total paradigm shift. So number 1, you need proper coaching skills. Number 2, you need influence skills. You need to be able to sit down with a potential client and inspire people to buy from you. A lot of people don't know how to do that. A lot of people are scared. They think selling is a 4-letter word, or they don't understand that selling is really service. By the way, right off the bat, things like coaching skills, the empowerment model, things like influence and inspiring people to buy, these are topics that take a while to cover. The 3rd thing, you need business skills. You need to learn how to package, price, and promote your services. See, I assume you don't want to have a job as a coach. You're probably not looking on job boards for, I wonder if I could become a coach and get paid, $50 an hour or whatever it is. I assume you want to have a business. And in that case, you need business skills. Otherwise, just because someone is a chef and is great at cooking spaghetti bolognese does not mean they can open up an Italian restaurant. Those 2 skills are completely different. But a lot of coaches feel just because they can coach, they can have a successful coaching business. 100% not. You still need business skills. Now, all 3 of these things I mentioned just then, coaching skills, influence skills, business skills, they take a lot more time than just a quick video for you to truly understand. I would love to show you demonstrations, examples of how it works, how you can start applying it in both a new or an existing coaching business, which is why we created a free upcoming live via Zoom event called How to Become a Highly Successful Coach. This is where we will share the only 3 skills you need to build a fun, fulfilling, and financially rewarding coaching business. Even if you're a beginner, even if you don't have years of experience or a massive following or anything like that, you only need 0 followers or 1 follower. Maybe your mum follows you. That's it. That's good enough, because we're not DMing people and doing TikTok dancing videos. Here's what we'll cover inside. The only 7 coaching techniques to change people's lives rapidly, even if you're not confident in your skills yet. You don't need to know 50 techniques. You just need to know these 7 flexible and very powerful ones that will work on people who are interested in health or parenting or business or leadership or life purpose, no matter what your niche is. Speaking of niche, we will also show you how to find the perfect coaching niche in just 5 minutes. And this is going to break the rules, and it's something that not really many people know about or do because they just don't have the track record of experience. We're also going to show you 5 steps to turn your passion into an irresistible coaching package. How do you take your passion, and yes, you could have multiple passions, and package that up into something people are inspired to buy? And if you're currently working part-time or full-time, I'm also going to show you the fastest way to escape your 9-to-5 job and create a purposeful living as a coach. This helped earn my business partner $124,000 in his first year as a coach. Now, in case we haven't met before, my name's Cham Tang. I co-founded Authentic Education back in 2009. And in case you haven't heard about us before, the Huffington Post said it best when they said Authentic Education is Australia's leading training company helping people do what they love. My business partner is Benjamin J. Harvey, and he will be the one running this upcoming event called How to Become a Highly Successful Coach. Why? Because Ben is an ICF certified master coach, and he's conducted well over 10,000 one-on-one individual coaching sessions, and he's helped over 1,800 coaches from 21 countries around the world and counting. And he's helped them to generate over $100 million in collective coaching revenue. And also, what it really means besides the money part, just to have more fun, fulfillment, and freedom in their coaching business. But most importantly, help change thousands of lives all over the world. So if you're looking to learn from someone who's just been there, done that experience, and get a proven step-by-step roadmap to your success as a coach, this Zoom event is a can't-miss opportunity for you. If you want to learn more or book a free ticket, all you have to do is just click the link near this video. Now, in case you're wondering, this sounds like a really great event, Cham. Been doing this for 15 years. Why is it free? To just shoot straight and be radically transparent with you, why is Zoom free, Spotify free, Gmail free? They use a marketing method that we use, and we also recommend our students use. It is called freemium. The word free mixed with the word premium. So we deliver, just like all those companies I mentioned, a tremendously valuable upfront free service. And we just know a small percentage of people will want to learn more and join our premium paid programs. So it just makes total sense to give this away for free, even though it has high value. This would be worth $1,000 if we charged just for this event. So if you don't want to be one of the many broke coaches out there and instead create a highly successful coaching business, just click the link to learn more or reserve your free seat right now. See you soon.